Nighttime nuisance no more. Say goodbye to midnight bathroom breaks. Are you tired of waking up in the middle of the night to use the bathroom? It's time to put an end to those midnight interruptions and finally get a full night's sleep. Introducing our solution to nighttime bathroom breaks, the Nighttime Nuisance No More program. With our simple tips and tricks, you'll be able to say goodbye to those inconvenient trips to the toilet, allowing you to sleep through the night undisturbed. Tip 1. Limit your fluid intake before bed. By reducing the amount of liquid you consume a few hours before bedtime, you'll decrease the urgency to urinate throughout the night. Tip 2. Avoid bladder irritants. Certain foods and drinks like caffeine, alcohol, and spicy foods can irritate your bladder, leading to more frequent bathroom trips. Cut back on these substances to reduce nighttime awakenings. Tip 3. Establish a regular bathroom routine. By scheduling regular bathroom visits before bed, you can empty your bladder completely, reducing the likelihood of needing to go in the middle of the night. Tip 4. Improve your sleep environment. Creating a comfortable, dark, and quiet sleep environment can promote a deeper sleep, allowing you to sleep through the night without waking up to pee. Tip 5. Knee-high stockings will reduce fluid retention in the feet, therefore reducing the risk of nighttime urination. By following these simple steps and making a few adjustments to your daily routine, you'll be able to finally kick nighttime bathroom breaks to the curb and enjoy uninterrupted, restful sleep. Thank you for watching our video on how to stop waking up in the night to pee. Sleep tight. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. This video was created by Bill Vargas, an independent Medicare agent. Reach out to him.